Hello, my friends. We are going to go through some examples on electric field. Today, we are going to talk about the electric fields of our planet, Earth. The Earth is known to carry a charge, a negatively charged minus 4.5 times 10 to the power 5 coulombs. And the radius is about 6,400 kilometers. So we are going to base on this piece of information to work out the electric field. Remember, the formula of electric field is Q and then 4 pi epsilon, and then the distance square. So now you may wonder what epsilon we are going to use. What value of epsilon we should use in this scenario? The Earth itself is a dielectric object, or a metal object. But that doesn't matter, because we are going to detect the magnetic field. We are going to detect the electric field on the surface of the Earth. So the value of epsilon is going to be epsilon naught, 8.854 times 10 to the power minus 12. So with this information, and then we should end up with a value about 100. And the unit for electric field should be force per force per coulomb. And later you will learn that there is another unit for electric field. Another unit is voltage per meter. So I hope it is clear to you guys.